In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage fine-grained personal access tokens on GitHub. We'll start right at the beginning. Open your browser and search for GitHub. From the results, click the official GitHub link to head to the site. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your settings and developer tools. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of GitHub and click your profile picture. From the menu that opens, select Settings. This takes you to your account settings, where all your personal and security options live. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Developer Settings. This area is where you manage app integrations and tokens that grant access to your repositories and data. Next, select Personal Access Tokens, and then choose Fine-Grained Tokens. Fine-grained tokens give you precise control over what a token can do and where it can be used, which is far safer than broad, all-access tokens. They're ideal for CI tools, local scripts, or any workflow that needs limited, auditable access. Now let's configure access properly. First, choose the resource owner. You can select yourself if the token will be used for your personal repositories, or choose an organization if you're working within a team. If you select an organization, be aware that organization policies may add restrictions or require approval. Then decide on repository access. You can grant access to all repositories, but a more secure option is only select repositories. Limiting scope reduces risk if a token is ever exposed. Pick just the repositories that are necessary for the job at hand. Next, set the permissions. You'll see categories like Contents and Pull Requests, each with options such as Read or Read and Write. Apply the principle of least privilege here. Choose Read when the token only needs to view data, and Read and Write only when an automation or script actually needs to push commits, open pull requests, or modify settings. Double-check each section so you're not granting more access than required. You must set an expiration date. Many organizations enforce a maximum lifetime, often around a year by default. Shorter lifetimes are safer, so pick the smallest window that still supports your workflow. Plan to rotate tokens before they expire to avoid interruptions. When your token is generated, copy it immediately. GitHub will never display it again. Store it securely, treat it like a password, and never commit it to a repository or share it in chat. If a token is ever exposed or no longer needed, revoke it from the same area where you manage your tokens. That's it. You've set up and managed a fine-grained personal access token on GitHub with tight, intentional permissions.